here goes nothing. Let me put my gloves on. My first molten pour ever, and I'm wearing polyester pants. But I'm putting rubber gloves on, so that's cool. I think I got all the slag off the top, which lowered it by like half. Alright, I'm pulling it out of the crucible. Here it is. Blocking the direct hit to my eyeballs. Alright, let's let that melt out a little bit more. This is a can of beans that I poured it into. So, see what happens, I guess. Kind of smells like beans. There was some stuff left in the bottom. Here's all the slag I pulled off, but I'm not sure if it just wasn't melted yet or what. I'll have to maybe try it again.